Welcome back to the Small Business Hub, where we help you achieve your skill development and financial goals through smart entrepreneurship. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: starting a side hustle in the UK. We will guide you through this ultimate guide on side hustles in the UK. Whether you want to boost your income or pursue your passions, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from what is a side hustle to choosing the right one for you, planning, getting started, and even expanding your hustle. Let's dive in. Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is a side hustle? A side hustle is essentially a secondary income stream that you develop alongside your main job. It can start as a hobby but can potentially evolve into a profitable venture. Think of it as a way to earn extra cash while pursuing your passions. Now, let's move on to the exciting part: choosing the right side hustle. Choosing the right side hustle is crucial for success. Here's how to do it. First, identify your passions and skills. What are you passionate about, and where do your talents lie? Next, research opportunities. The UK offers a wealth of options, from freelance writing to becoming a virtual assistant. These are some of the top side hustles you might consider, but do your research. Lastly, consider market demand. Ensure there's demand for your chosen side hustle by conducting thorough market research. If you are struggling to find the right business to work on, have a look at a free site on Gumroad called Idea Stash, which has a list of potential business opportunities. A link is below the video. Now that you've chosen your side hustle, it's time to plan for success. Create a business plan that outlines your goals, target audience, pricing, and marketing strategy. Don't forget about legal considerations. Depending on your hustle, you may need to register your business or obtain licenses. Set up your workspace, gather necessary tools, and establish a budget that covers expenses. With your plan in place, it's time to kickstart your side hustle. Manage your time effectively to balance your side hustle with your primary job and personal life. Build your brand and market your hustle through online platforms and social media. Keep detailed records of income and expenses for tax purposes. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to starting a side hustle in the UK, brought to you by Small Business Hub. Start your side hustle. Remember, a side hustle can not only boost your income but also bring you closer to your dreams. So, go out there and make it happen. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.